That's my fault, wasn't it? Well, shoved it down your throat too far. Yeah. What's Mom doing? Oh, what's he doing? He's taking more pictures. Taking more pictures. Yeah.
I'm going to make a video so Grandpa can be on YouTube.
You get good? You get good? Is that good, Xander? Xander. Is that good? Ready? Okay, here we go. Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, you're doing good. Don't get it all over your mouth. Whoop! Sorry, I didn't have much in the spoon, did I? Didn't have much in there. Yeah, let's give it a little more. There we go. Ready? Here we go. There we go.
Are you the Incredible Hulk?
Here we go. The good stuff. That's good stuff, isn't it? Whoop! Don't choke on it. Whoa!
Oh, messy.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Yeah, you're doing good. You're good. You're doing good. Pray for Xander. Pray for Xander. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Much more? Okay, there you are. Boy, that's good. You're doing good.